EZexam supports coding questions in online exams where candidates have to answer questions by writing code in one of Python, C, C++, or in this case, the Java language. This code can be compiled and run by the candidate during the exam with test case inputs. Then it's submitted. Now we'll see how such an exam is created. Create a new exam using one of the bulk methods or the individual question method shown. Here, it's required to find the average of n numbers taken via standard input. Select the question type as Java in this case and save the question. Now after saving, add test cases so that the code entered by the candidate can be auto-checked and scored. Enter a sample input. In this case, to find the average of two numbers 3 and 5, the sample output is 4, which is 8 by 2. Can enter an explanation for it if required. Test cases can be made visible to candidates so that they can run their code with the test case inputs, and marks can be assigned if the code returns the correct output. We'll create another test case which is not visible to the candidate but will be used in checking the code and scoring it. After adding questions, exam timings are set and the exam is shared with candidates, either by assigning it to their accounts or generating an exam link to manually share it with candidates. The exam attempt can be seen here, and to evaluate performance, analytics can be generated to get scores and analytics for all candidates who have taken the exam.